today, undoubtedly, the topic which is on the company audit and the learned, bold, and brave chartered accountants who have come to give their experiential learning to all of you people will be cherished by each one of you. There may be a probability that there will be a little low of one particular speaker and one high of a particular speaker. But one thing you all have to understand and appreciate is these people have come forward to show you something new and different. So this boldness, I think we all have to appreciate.
Dear friends, we are thankful to all the panelists who are part of the hackathons in the past and today present also. And we are very happy to convey you that our hackathons are super successful and people are enjoying a lot. Your videos of 10 minutes are posted in AI in ICI website. Use cases are also given of this each hackathon, and people are enjoying this hackathon in their day-to-day use of AI in their CA offices.
Now I would like to invite CA Shripal Luniya sir to present the use case in comprehensive bank statement analysis. Over to you, sir. You are on mute.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. First of all, thanks to providing the opportunity to showcase my case on comprehensive bank account statement analysis. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We know in modern audit landscape, thorough verification of bank account statement is crucial to uncovering and preventing fraud. Traditional manual method of scrutinizing these statements are not only time consuming and also prone to human error. So we are trying to introduce a tool. We can use Power Query, Excel, Advanced Excel, and show it. Through these all tools, we can transform and analysis bank statement. Yeah. We follow 3 steps. First of all, data extraction from PDF statement. Utilizing AI-powered optical character recognition (OCR) technology, we can accurately extract the data from bank account statement in PDF form. We can do this account statement extraction from Power Query itself, but for each bank account, we have to customize it. So here we are using Suite software to structure in a structured way PDF extraction. And second step, benefit we know automated and accurate data extraction, significant reduction in manual data entry errors, faster processing time, allowing auditors to focus on analysis rather than data collection. And we can, through example, we can process 100 of PDF statement having 500 pages, 1000 pages, and all in within minutes and some time. So, second part, we will practically demo classification of transaction statement through AI algorithm with some predefined instruction. We can we will classify transaction into various categories such as UPI transfer, NEFT, RTGS transaction, bank interest paid and bank interest collected, EMI transaction, insurance like transaction and all. So benefit we know consistent and accurate categorization of transaction, easy identification of unusual and suspicious transaction, enhanced ability to track and analysis specific transaction. And in third part, we move for analysis, comprehensive 360-degree analysis of bank statement. By combining AI and advanced Excel tool like Power Query, pivot table, we can perform a holistic analysis of bank account statement. These include trend analysis, pattern recognition, and many. So now we directly jump to our practical case. First of all, my screen is visible. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. this is bank statement having 126 pages, and we can analysis the whole bank statement in 5 to 10 minutes. So first of all, we will import this bank statement in Suite. Although I have already uploaded this statement for 2 to 3 minutes. So we can just upload again. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And we can also work on this bank statement. I have already imported this statement. This is in a structured way. Although we can do these all things from query itself, but for different bank, various bank, we have to customize each statement. And through Suite, we can streamline in a structured way. Any bank account we will get in this particular format. It's in processing. And this is our tool. Through this tool, we can just in 5 to 10 minutes, we can analysis complete bank statement. So I'm right now choosing, for saving time, I am choosing earlier bank statement in Excel. So we have to just select file. And refresh all. So there is complete interest detail when interest is credited, charges detail, and this is summary. This is completely summary. Yeah, this is complete when each categorization transaction type is there. ATM withdrawal, cash flow transaction, cash deposit, cash withdrawal, charges detail, check transaction, IMPS transaction, NEFT transaction, RTGS transaction, UPI transaction. In second sheet, we have highlighted top 10 in each category. Top 10 transaction in each category we have segregated. So through statement file, here all transactions are here. And we can also do analysis by pivot. Just refresh, we have complete our bank statement in complete analysis mode. Now, this first analysis is by transaction type. There is cash transaction, 8 transaction total, 2 debit and 6 credit. Charges total 14 transaction are, and 2232 is rupees, and percentage is there. We can customize it as per our need. And after that, we have analysis transaction dates. Transaction date. We have trend. We can see in which month or which period there is a uptrend or lower trend. And this is analysis through by transaction. Each of transaction, how many transactions are there and all. Okay, sir. And there is dashboard we have. We can prepare chart and through analysis complete bank statement. So it's all from my part. Thank you.
Thank you,
This
CA
is this bank statement is we have used this statement. Yes, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, CA Shripal Luniya ji, for an excellent presentation on comprehensive bank account statement analysis. Hope our viewers have gained various insights listening to your presentation.